Are you tired of forgetting anniversaries every year? Learn how to set a recurring anniversary in Google Calendar in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to create a new event, then set it to repeat annually. Let's get started. Start by clicking the Create button in the upper left corner of your Google Calendar. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Event to open the Event Creation window. In the title field, type Wedding Anniversary to name your event. Now click on More Actions to expand additional options. Next, click on Does Not Repeat to change the repeat setting. Then select Annually on July 1 to set the anniversary to repeat every year on that date. Check the All Day box to make it a full-day event. Finally, click Save to add the anniversary to your calendar. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.